Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're going over some classic Clapton. Wonderful Tonight, and this is awesome on a acoustic guitar. Not very hard. Okay, so let's get to it. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got a D major with F sharp in the bass. So it's good to learn this chord because it comes back a lot in pop songs and rock songs. So it's basically like half a D chord with F sharp in the bass. So 2 on low E, 2 on G, and 3 on B. So that sounds like this. Okay, and then we have a C major. 1, 2, 3, and we got a regular D chord. 1, 2, 3, and I believe we have an E minor too. 1, 2. Okay, so the intro is, let's go over the picking a little bit later. Start talking about the chords and the changing and the strumming. So we got G, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp over D, C, D. If you want to do that walk up from the D, that's D to 2 on D, to 4, to 7. And that only happens over the guitar melody. Mostly doing down strokes. Down, 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 down. Okay, and then for the bridge, or no, pre-chorus, or maybe this is called the chorus, I'm not sure, but C, D, G, F sharp, E minor. This is the chorus, C to D, and on D, and then guitar melody. Verse. Walk down, F sharp, G minor, C to D, and on G. After the second chorus, we got a bridge. That goes C to D, G, F sharp, G minor, same stuff. Now C to D. Repeat C to D, D, down. If you want to do some picking over the guitar melody, I think that's on the track. You can pick like that. That's 6, 4, 3, 4. 6 4 3 4 2 3 4 3. Same thing, and then pick the same thing over the C. Just start on the A here. The D is a little bit different. It's 4 3 2 3 1 2 3 2. Okay. Same. Start on 5. Start on 4. Just repeat that. And do that 2 times. Wonderful tonight. Great. What a nice little tune to learn. Thanks guys for tuning in. Appreciate the support. I'll see you tomorrow with more stuff. Thank you.